Welcome to the future of art, powered by AI. Let's dive in. No longer do we need to rely on the human artist who tires or runs out of ideas. AI is here to create masterpieces at the speed of thought. The canvas and paintbrush are making way for algorithms and neural networks. From reimagining historic works of art to creating photorealistic images, artificial intelligence is redefining the boundaries of creativity. It's not just a tool, it's a creative partner. An artist that never sleeps, working tirelessly to bring our wildest imaginations to life. But it's not just about efficiency. AI is adding a new dimension to art, making it more accessible, inclusive, and diverse. One of the most fascinating applications of AI in art is the rise of AI art generators. These programs like DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney are democratizing art creation, making it possible for anyone to create stunning pieces of art, regardless of their artistic skills. How thrilling is that? Let's explore the magic of AI art together. In the heart of this revolution are AI art generators, but what exactly are they, you may ask? Well, let's delve right into it. AI art generators are sophisticated systems that leverage machine learning to create art. They're designed to learn from a multitude of images and then apply that knowledge to generate new, unique pieces of art. Imagine them as your digital Picasso, but instead of a paintbrush and canvas, they use algorithms and data. They analyze patterns, colors, shapes, and even styles from a vast database of artworks. Then, they use this learned information to craft something entirely new, something that's never been seen before. Take DALL-E 2 for example. This AI art generator comes with image editing tools, making it user-friendly. However, its creations tend to have a painterly feel and may lack some critical details. But then again, that's where its charm lies, in its ability to reimagine and present an artistic interpretation of your inputs. On the other hand, we have Stable Diffusion. It's a bit more advanced, offering a balance between user-friendliness and output quality. You can access it as a web app or in Dream Studio. It's like having a skilled artist on your device, ready to generate a piece of art at your command. And then there's Midjourney. This AI art generator is accessed through Discord and allows for fine-tuning, offering photorealistic output. However, it might get a tad distracting with the constant flow of other users' creations. But hey, it's like being in a dynamic, bustling art studio full of inspiration and creativity. These AI art generators are transforming the way we create and perceive art. They're not just tools, they're partners in creation, aiding us in pushing the boundaries of our artistic expressions. With these AI-powered tools, anyone can dabble in art, but how about mastering professional drawings? Well, that's where the real fun begins. Art is no longer just about brushes and canvases. Today, it's about algorithms and neural networks. As we delve deeper into the world of AI-assisted art, we find that the role of artificial intelligence in professional drawings is truly transformative. AI is not only helping artists create photorealistic images, but is also enabling them to reimagine historic works of art and even create new styles. Imagine being able to recreate the Sistine Chapel ceiling with a few clicks or producing a portrait that rivals the Mona Lisa in its intricacy and detail. This is the power AI brings to the table. And it's not just about replicating the old masters. AI can also help in generating unique patterns and designs, pushing the boundaries of what we traditionally understand as art. Now let's talk about some of the AI art generators that are making waves in the art world. DALL-E 2, for instance, is known for its user-friendly interface and image editing tools. However, its output can often have a painterly feel and may lack critical details. On the other hand, we have Midjourney, which allows for fine-tuning and offers photorealistic output. Accessed through Discord, it brings together a community of creators who share their works, providing inspiration, but also potentially creating a distraction with the constant flow of new creations. And then there's Stable Diffusion, a balance between DALL-E 2 and Midjourney in terms of ease of use and output quality. Available as a web app or in Dream Studio, it offers a more controlled environment for creating art. These AI art generators, while incredibly powerful, are not without their challenges. The learning curve can be steep, and the results may not always be what you expect. But the potential they hold is immense. They are reshaping the way we create and perceive art, breaking down barriers and opening up new avenues for creative expression. AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in creativity. And mastering this partnership can open doors to a whole new world of artistic possibilities. The canvas of the future is digital and the brush is powered by AI. Just as the invention of photography revolutionized the art world in the 19th century, AI is poised to redefine art in the 21st. The future of art lies not just in the hands of traditional artists, but also in the codes of AI developers who are reshaping the way we create and perceive art. Imagine an AI that can learn from the masterpieces of Van Gogh, Picasso, or Da Vinci, and then use that knowledge to generate its own original pieces. Or envision an AI that can take a simple sketch and transform it into a photorealistic image. These are not just figments of our imagination, they are already a reality. With AI art generators like DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in creativity. But this is just the beginning. The potential of AI in art is vast and largely untapped. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and innovative tools that will push the boundaries of creativity. Perhaps we will see AI that can create art in real time, responding to changes in the environment or the emotions of the viewer. Or maybe we will see AI that can collaborate with human artists, bringing together the best of human creativity and machine intelligence. However, the future of AI in art is not something that will happen to us. It is something that we can and should actively shape. We all have a role to play in this revolution. Whether you're an artist, a developer, or simply someone who appreciates art, I encourage you to explore and experiment with AI art generators. Push the limits of these tools, discover new ways of creating and experiencing art, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. After all, as Picasso once said, every act of creation is first an act of destruction. The revolution in art has just begun. Join us on this exciting journey. Subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and art. Together, let's shape the future of creativity.